Hello and welcome to another video. This is a screen protector video. It's by G Color. It's for the Huawei P30 Pro. This one's a tempered glass screen protector, and it's got the whole thing with the UV light and everything. It's not quite as glamorous as another make that's out there, which is a lot more expensive, but this one's a lot cheaper. So we're going to see what this one's like and see how well it goes on. So in the box we've got your screen protector, you've got your instructions and a little thank you card. You've got these grip things that I think you're supposed to put under your phone to stop the phone from sliding around. You've got your adhesive solution, UV light, got two sets of look like cleaning cloths with probably some alcohol wipes, such like, got a pair of gloves, and that's it. So we're going to get into this. I'm going to have a quick peruse through the instructions quickly. Always worth it with these sort of kits, just to make sure you get it just right. So come back to you in a minute when we start the install. Right, so what I've done, I've got these, you get these sponge type stickers. From what I gather from the instructions, you put the thicker ones on the back. This is obviously to help it grip and also keep it level, because you've got the camera bump, so that's going to make it rock. I think from the instructions it would be nice if they would have actually put a picture of it, but I put this strip on it where it covers over the camera area, so that seems to help locate the screen protector at the top. And you've got this thick one at the bottom, obviously to cover up. It covers over the charging port, whatnot, and you fold this lip over so you can get nice and level on the bottom as well. So I'll put those on first. Sorry about the rustling, it's these gloves. Hopefully it doesn't come out too bad on the video. So let's get it all nice and clean. It's important just to get it as clean as you can. Provided cloth as well to dry it off. So let's make extra sure that everything's spotlessly clean. So before I use a dust removal sticker, I'll just blow the use my duster to blow any larger bits of dust off. Use this to a nice big sticker as well. Obviously I haven't got the other one on the back just quite right. It's got a bit of a rocking action, but I think I might have to take these gloves off because they're crazy. They're a bit static. I can see bits of dust falling on the screen there, on the screen. So a nice quick blow. Okay. Right. Okay. So there's another bit of dust on there. Dust is the enemy. So try and do this as carefully as I can. Try and drop this into the middle. And it's important to do this on a nice level surface. can see it's still, so I'm trying to squeeze it to get the rest out. Seems quite a lot of adhesive going on there actually. So that's that. So next thing, I'm going to peel off the backing on this. Fingers crossed this goes okay. So what I'll do is I'll line it up at the top first. Just drop it on. Right, so it's dribbling over the edges a bit. Right, just let that spread. Right, just got to move myself over the phone a bit. So come back to you in a minute when that's fully spread, and we'll go over it with the UV light. Right, so now we've got the adhesives all spread. I've pretty much got it spotlessly, perfectly aligned. We've got the little UV light. They recommend to go around the edges with it for 2 minutes. So I think it's just going around the edges. UV light, just leaving it for maybe a short while on each edge, just to help dry the liquid adhesive a little bit. So I'll try and do top and bottom first. Maybe do 30 seconds a piece. So do down there. So I'll come back to you once I've gone round all this. Right, so I've done that for a couple of minutes. So what they recommend is you put the gloves back on, and it's quite good so far. I'm just going to get some more of this cleaning stuff. In fact, I'll just go around with that cloth first of all. Right, so I'm just going to get some more of this cleaning stuff, just to clean some of the glue off around the edges. Another one of these wet cleaning things. Right, okay, go around the edges, just make sure. Around the edges of the phone, if there's any residue or anything, let's get that off. Right, let's grab a new one of those cloths, dry it off. So make sure I get all the glue off. Okay, so now what we need to do is use the provided UV light and go over it for 3 minutes over the whole thing. So just give that screen a quick clean off. On top, make sure it's all nice and clean. So I'm just going to go over the process, over the whole thing for 3 minutes. And I've got my phone here that I'm timing it with. Hopefully I can show you some brilliant results at the end of it. Right, I'll be back in a minute. Right, so I've got it all on and finished. Actually, it went on really well. It looked a lot more difficult than it was because I'm trying to do it from behind the camera. But it's got a good fit and finish. It's a nice gap round the edges. So this is going to work with some cases, which I'm going to whack on a couple in a minute. So let's whack on a couple of cases. So I'm going to try the Spigen rugged armour first. I suspect that's going to be tight. It's a tight fit, but that just about does it. As you can see, the glass is almost on the edge. So around the sides, there's enough room around the sides, just top and bottom really. So if you're careful about putting the case on, you should be alright with that. Let's try the Rinky case. I'm hoping this all works because these are my two favourite cases at the moment. So yep, the Rinky case goes on nicely as well. Around the corners it seems to just about be okay. So that's great stuff. So that is the G colour tempered glass screen protector. It seems to be quite a good kit actually. It's not as elaborate as the other popular make, but the one thing I will say with the UV light, when you're not using it, turn it off because it gets really hot. Also, considering what it is, it's USB type C as well, which is brilliant, so you can use your charger straight with it as well. So just a quick update. I've been out, used the phone for a little bit. It's a touch response on the screen, brilliant. Fingerprint sensor works perfectly. It's this is actually a really good screen protector for the price. It's actually really good. Its longevity, not sure about, so we shall see. It's as you can see, bumpy camera. It's yeah, there's no problem with it at all. It works really well. I'm pleasantly surprised. It's a very good screen protector actually. Feels nice and slippery, and like I was saying earlier, it seems to resist fingerprints quite well. I'm quite impressed. I'll throw a link down in the description, and please like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for my next video. I'll have a few more videos coming up for it soon, and for this phone, and I hope to see you again soon. Okay, bye for now.